Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again in another Bitcoin forecasting. We came back to you in another video, guys. So as you see today, it came a green day as I showed it to you yesterday in 30 minutes, but it's okay to repeat it. Used to have here that supply and demand zone, and I tell it to you before, if that one doesn't hold, also we're going to 10K, but till now it's still early. Till now, it's still early, guys. Why? Because us, the market, it's need to come to break for us the last low here. Remember my word. If you are an investor, you just they say it's still for you a lot of time. As me as I tell it to you, the market it's need to come till here, till that zone high here. Why? I'm going to show you. Because the market, it's need to give you here in that zone like that. It's need to give you like a W like that. Yes, it came big volume today. Yes. Well, we don't say no. At that big volume, let me show you something here very important about it. Here, guys, look with me very close here at the volume down. See that red one with that green one? What you see? Okay, here, that red one is bigger than that green one who came today. But look the candle here. That's what me I told you. It's still early, guys. It's still very, very, very early for anyone thinking of to enter for long position. Me I'm talking here about long-term investors. For long-term investors, not yet. It's still more time, guys. Remember my word. Because if we go in here to the weekly, what you see in here in the weekly, guys? Look at it. Very, very, very clear here. Where we are here in the weekly. Look here. Where we are? Yes, it gives us here like a pin bar. And that one is a very bullish signal. By the way, the three candles. And I tell it to you in the last week. The three candles, they are very, very bullish signal. But what did I told you? I told you it's going to be the best scenario happening to the Bitcoin if it give you here like that at W. Yes or no? I tell you all those things. Where we are now, we are just in the start. Look at it. For us to be confirmed, it's need the price of the Bitcoin to come and to break for us the 200 moving average. That investment, guys. That's not gambling. If you want to day trade and scalping, go to lower time frames. It's okay to take 5%, 3% a day or something like that. But for investment, not yet. For investors, not yet. It's need the market to come to break for us at last high here at 24K, guys. When it came to here and to break for you the 200 moving average, that's the right time for you to enter long, guys. Till now, not yet. Because that week, what is it coming that week? Let me show it to you. Look at it here. What is it coming that week? In Tuesday, 13th of September, it's coming the CPI of USA, guys. You saw it or no? It's here. You saw it? You saw it here? Look at it here with me. In Tuesday, 13th of September, there is the CPI of USA. Yes, yesterday it came someone, he talking about the USA and all those things, but it's still early, guys. It's still early. Remember my word. That person who came, that one, that was his name. Bollard repeat, he favored 3.75% to 4% rate by the end of 2022. Said good CPI report shouldn't affect September Fed call. That meant he accepted the CPI report to come good. That meant the inflation is going to get lower, but that it doesn't tell us the market is going to go high. Because look at him what he's saying. He said them they are going to increase more rate by the end of 2022. That what the target of them. They want to make it at least 3.75 till 4%. I'm talking here about the interest rate. You get what I'm saying or not? Going back to the chart here to explain to you. And here as I tell it to you, it's still very, 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 very early for us to say the crypto market winter is ending. Not yet. I tell it to you. Us need to give us here at least like a W like that or something. If you are an investor, just they say, I forget about all those things. I'm talking here about positional traders. Is not yet. It needs to come back at least to break for us the 200 moving average, guys, here. If it doesn't break it, us we are not yet. Yes, all the data is showing us we are going to head for a bull run, all the macroeconomic, all the on-chain, all the fundamentals of the Bitcoin. They said us we are in the bottom, but investors and those big whales, they waiting the Bitcoin to fall down to 10K. That way it's still early, guys. I think everything is too clear here. Let's go now to see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Here our indicator, guys, what you see here, that trend line here we make, so it's become now a very stronger trend line, and that level here of 35, it's reacting very, very stronger level. Now look where we are. That's what me have been telling you all those times. Look where we are now. We are here at the middle, and we are near to the long-term trend, that white one. Need to make a close eye at those things. It needs to come and to break for us that long-term trend, that one. If it doesn't break it, there is no entry yet. Remember my word, guys. There is no entry yet. For short term, yes, you can enter for short term and earn money. That's another story. But me, I'm talking here about positional traders and swing traders is not yet. Still more time, guys. The entry to be in here. Here, yes, me, I enter from there. I enter from 17K. And I'm still holding it till now. I enter today to my account. I found it more than 20%. I am in profit today. Because me, I'm not holding only the Bitcoin. I'm holding the Matic, the AVAX, the DOT, Terra Luna, Classic, and a lot of cryptos. So I enter today and my account is more than 20% earning. That's how we invest in. And I told you, if you subscribe to our channel, also we are going to put for you in the future more videos like this. By the way, are you not subscriber yet in our channel? Me, I'm talking to you. You watching me now. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So if you are interested, you can join us. If you are a Forex trader, also we put in a weekly Forex analysis. So like that, you're going to benefit from all those things. And even for the DAX, also we tell it to you in the last week is going to fall down. In the weekly Forex analysis, we tell it to you is going to fall down. And you can even go there. We told you it's got a divergence, a big divergence like that. Here, what is it, guys, here? As you see it. Us here, we're still in the control of the bears. Till now, it hasn't broken for us the middle. And here, it needs to come to break for us that long-term trend. By the way, that long-term trend, let me to show it to you where it started from. That long-term trend, it started from 19th of October 2021, as you see. And where we are now, we're still down in it. And as you see how many times it's being touched. It's being touched all those times, guys. It touched here in 29 of March 2022. It touched here 13 of August 2022, guys. So it needs the market to come to break it. That's the right time when us we're going to know the market is going to go high. Because that the downtrend also being following for when the Bitcoin it used to be here at 70K. Then it fall down till here, till where we are to 17. Till now also we're still in a downtrend, guys. Till now we haven't break that trend line here. Everything is too clear here. It's good to see our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, as you see it, guys, that one is still in his place here. And I tell you those things before. What did I told you? Zoom it like that. I told you it hasn't become red yet. And there is no price action in the chart indicating us we are going to go for another bull run, guys. I show you all those things before. Now, what is it here? Here in the chart, yes, it's breaking for us that small trend line, that one. But it doesn't breaking for us, that one. Because here, in the daily, what else we have? We used to have here. We have here that zone, that stronger zone. And by the way, here another thing, you need to make a close eye at it, guys. Here, what you got here? Here. Where is it the market now? It's zoom it like that. Where is the market now? What you got now? You got a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. As you see it. It's being touched here, 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 and here, and here. Now we are in it. Yes or no? We are in that supply and demand zone. Let's see now if that one is going to change to give us a low like that, then it's going to give us another high, or another scenario here is going to happen. That one, because the last low, where it is? The last low, guys, is it here? So it might, now it's going to go back and to give us another low than the previous one. Because the last low is that one. And the last high, is it that one? Till now, oh, it doesn't come and breaking for us the last high. The last high, as I told you, is that one. Till now, it doesn't come and break it for us. Everything is too clear. So the last low is that one, and the last high is it, that one. Till now it doesn't break in the last high, and there is no price action here indicating us we are going to go for another bull run. I tell it to you, where is the price action is going to come? Always, if it came here and give you like that, a W, that is going to come a price action. Or another one, we have it here. We have here that triangle like that, and we've been talking about it, but that one is going to make it more hard. That one, it needs that one to come till here to break for you that one and to break for you the 200 moving average. So like that is going to give you the break. Everything is too clear here, guys. Let's go in now to the 4 hours to see what is it in the 4 hours for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, look at it. We are near to the 200 moving average, and here at that supply and demand zone, it's showing a rejection here, guys. Look at it. It's showing there a rejection. Make a close eye with me. And what did I told you yesterday? What did I told you? yesterday. For the people they follow us and they been with us for some time, what did I told you yesterday? Here at the 4 hours. I told you we got here. People that trading with Wyckoff didn't know those things. We got here like a Wyckoff, and you can find it in our video, in the last video, by the way. I told you we got like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Then he make that fake breakout here. That very common pattern in the Wyckoff, because there is the phase 3, there is accumulation level, so it's happening that one. Then after that, it go up. So if you been with us, what else we been saying? We been saying it touched down 5 times. Then it's breaking for you here in the 5th time. Now the top, it's being touched how many times? 1, 2, 3. Now the 4th time it came and break it for you. But look at here, guys. Look at that candle which is going now. Look at it. Yes, today is Friday. Today the market is getting close now. So the big investors now, they're going out from the market. They will stay in Saturday and Sunday, all the small investors. But look at it with me. And here, as I tell it to you, you got a very stronger level, even with the 200 moving average. Look at it. So make a close. I had those things I'm telling you guys here. Till now, there is no entry yet. It's need that one to come to break for us that 200 moving average, for us to know that the trend is changed, and in daily to give us a very powerful trend. Everything is too clear, guys. Here in my chart, same thing. I'm going to show it to you here in my chart. Something here in my chart. Look at it with me. What did else we have? If you been with us, what else we have here? Also here in my chart, we have, guys, we have here that channel. If you see it from here, changing that one. If you see it from here and here, it being touched here and here and here. And look, now he came upward to touch the upper of that channel. As you see it. That's the channel, by the way, because I know it look very, very, very messy. As you need to be followed with me. Now he came to touch the top of it, guys, here in that zone. Now it touching for us the top of that channel. Now there is one of two to came back till that level here, then after that to went up, or from here to came back to the down of that channel. And here, as you see it, that the level me I'm talking about, as you see it, me I got it here in the 4 hours here, and the market is it at it. Everything is too clear. So now what is it the best scenario could happen now? The best scenario could happen now, if you remember what else we said here, what we got here we said we got that the top of that accumulation level. The best scenario to happen now, that one to come back to touch it here in that zone, to touch the top of it, then after that to come upward and to give you another high, then that one. Everything is too clear, guys. If it came back and break for you down, that one just fakes breakout, both of them, guys. No one of them is right. Everything is too clear till now. Let's see our indicator here in the 4 hours, what it's telling us for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, guys, our indicator, as you see it, where it is, it touched the overbought area, but here something good, there is no negativity here, what you see in here. What our indicator done for us here, it breaking for us the middle, and we move from the bears to the bulls. Now the bulls will control in the market, guys. That's what our indicator telling us. And here, that indicator of us, he breaking for us that trend line. By the way, the trend line is not long term, it's just a small trend line. Yes, also we used to have here a divergence. So I think now it's going to make a small correction. Then after that, we are going to go more higher, guys. So make a close eye at those things. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, as you see it here in the 4 hours. Also, we're still here at the oversold area, guys. We haven't came out from it. And we've been at the oversold area for a long time now. And here, it's showing that candle. So it's need another candle to come next to it. Green. To confirm for us, also we are going to go for another bull run. I tell it to you. For scalpers and day traders, let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what is it there. If there is any opportunity for you to buy, guys. So let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there. Here in 30 minutes, what else we said yesterday. If you've been with us, also we said yesterday, the market give you here a cup and handle like that. And here it's breaking for you. That what else we said yesterday. And we said something else here. What we said? We said here, the market, it give you here like a wage, like that. And it's breaking for you the top of it. All those things, also we said it in the previous videos, guys. You can find them. And also here in 30 minutes, we told you to buy from here, from down. Also, we are the only channel we told you to buy from down. Others, I don't think no one of them tell you to buy from there. And what did I told you? I told you the target, it need to be here. Me, I told you the target, it need to be here in that zone. You can find those things, it's still in our video. Here, I told you to take the target. Yes, now, will you make more extra profit? As me, I told you the target, market is here, but now also we are in the top of the 200 moving average, and the market here, what it's showing, the market here, it's showing here a rejection. So let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. And here in the volume, it's very clear divergence, guy. As you see it, it's very clear divergence here in the volume, so be careful about what is it coming, guys. And let's see our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, is it here at the overbought area. And I tell it to you thousands of times, it's very dangerous for you to buy in the overbought area. And yesterday, look where from here, he went up. And me, I tell you, I am the only channel in the YouTube who told you to buy from down here. Only from here to here will have you make very decent profit, my friend. Look, the power of our analysis. By the way, to get that indicator is very simple, guys. It's very simple. There is one video here in our channel. His name, how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. Go to that video in the description of it. You're going to find that indicator, download the source code. And even in that video, we show you how to install it. I think everything is too clear, guys. So, see you when the daily candle finishes. Bye for now, guys.